ElevenLabs has been paying me this much per month in completely passive income. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what I did to set this up so that I get paid every month without doing anything. By the end, you'll see that this is one of the most realistic ways to make money online and make real passive income for completely free. What is ElevenLabs?
ElevenLabs is a ridiculously cool AI tool that creates voices so real it's almost unsettling. Seriously, these voices sound like actual humans. None of that robotic, glitchy nonsense you might expect from AI. People are using it for all kinds of projects, like voiceovers for YouTube videos, audiobooks, podcasts, and even ads. It's basically the dream tool for anyone who wants professional-grade voiceovers without the huge price tag of hiring voice actors or the hassle of recording and editing for hours. Here's how it works. You just type out what you want the voice to say, pick the style or tone you're after. You can go dramatic, friendly, or whatever suits the vibe, and then hit generate. That's it. What you get is a supernatural-sounding voiceover, ready to go for your project. Let me walk you through it in more detail. Step 1. Create a free ElevenLabs account. To get started, head over to the ElevenLabs website using the link in the description. Right on the homepage, there's a big Get Started for Free button staring you down. Click it. From there, you'll land on the sign-up page where you've got a couple of options. You can sign in manually with your email address or with your Google account. I recommend using the email account that you use regularly so you can see any important updates, especially when it comes to getting paid. Make sure to verify your email. Once you're all set up, log into ElevenLabs and get ready for the next step. Step 2. Get to know ElevenLabs. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the ElevenLabs dashboard, your command center where everything you need is neatly laid out. First up is the Voices tab. Think of this as your personal library of pre-made AI voices, ready to go right out of the box. Each voice comes with its own style and personality. Some are sharp and professional, great for corporate presentations, while others sound more casual and conversational, perfect for social media or YouTube content. Just click on any voice, listen to a sample, and get a feel for it. If you're looking for something specific, you can just type it into the search bar. Type in excited, for example, and you'll get a curated list of voices that match that tone. If you want something unique, you can create your own custom voice. Just hit the Add a New Voice button. There are two standout options here. First, you've got voice design, where you can come up with a completely new voice using a text prompt. Name the accent, tone, or any quirks you want, and the system will build it. Then there's the Instant Voice Clone feature, which lets you clone your own voice by uploading a few minutes of audio. Trust me, it's super impressive. I'll get back to that cloning feature in a bit, but for now, let's keep moving. Next is the text-to-speech section, which is the most used feature. Type out whatever you need the AI to say, pick the voice you want from the drop-down menu, and hit Generate Speech. It's really that simple. The interface is clean and user-friendly. If you want to make edits, no problem. Adjust the script, tweak the settings, and give it another go. You're not locked into anything, so feel free to experiment. Then there's the Dubbing tab. If you're dealing with multilingual content, this is going to be a lifesaver. It lets you take your original audio and translate it to another language, all while keeping the vocal style consistent. This is super handy for international projects or if you're offering dubbing services to clients. That's the quick tour of ElevenLabs' key features. There's actually a lot more to dig into, but these are the essentials you need to get started. You're probably already seeing how this could open up some exciting ways to get creative and make money. Speaking of which, let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Earn passive income from your voice. You can actually make money by cloning your voice and adding it to a library for others to use. Every time someone uses your voice, ElevenLabs will pay you a share. To set it up, head to the Voices section and click on Add a New Voice, then select Instant Voice Clone. Pop your name in, and now it's time to upload your voice samples. You can upload up to 25 audio files, with each sample needing to be at least 1 minute long. Make sure you record in a quiet environment using a decent microphone. This isn't the place for background noise or fuzzy sound quality. Speak naturally when you're recording. Don't overdo it with any exaggerated tone or style, because the AI will mimic exactly what it hears. Once your samples are ready, upload them onto the platform. Add labels like relaxed American accent or upbeat conversational voice to describe your voice. The more specific, the better. Then, write a quick description of your voice, covering things like its gender, style, and ideal uses. If you're unsure how to describe it, check out the library section to see how others have labeled theirs. Confirm you have permission to use the samples and click the Add Voice button. The AI will process the recordings to create a clone of your voice. After the voiceover is processed, you'll find it under the Personal tab. Click on your voice and look for the Voice Sharing button. Turn this on to enable sharing and make it discoverable in the voice library. When you do this, ElevenLabs will review your voice to make sure everything meets their standards. Once it's approved, your voice will officially be available in their library. Now, every time someone uses your voice, you'll earn money. To get paid in cash, select the financial rewards option during setup and make sure to connect a Stripe account for payouts. What's incredible about this is that you only need to record your voice once, upload it, and then you're done. After that, your voice stays in the library, and every time it gets used, you make money. This is literally the easiest way to earn passive income. Step 4. Make more money with ElevenLabs. Now, let's talk about some more ways that you can make money with ElevenLabs. The first is offering voiceover services to people who need them. You can create an account on platforms like Fiverr and offer voiceover services.
You can create gigs for audiobook narration, YouTube video voiceovers, ad narration, and much more, with samples for each that you can generate for free using ElevenLabs. You can set your price as high or as low as you'd like, though I recommend that you price lower at first until you get more reviews. Then you can increase your price. Once a client buys your service, all you have to do is copy and paste the script that they would like to be narrated into ElevenLabs and generate the voiceover. Download it, send it over to the client, make sure they're happy, and then ask them to leave a positive review. It's that simple, and it can really snowball into a consistent source of income for you.
Another option is for you to reach out to potential clients directly, like YouTube creators who run faceless channels. You can offer voiceover services to them, or if you want to stand out, you can offer to clone their voice and provide them customized voiceovers, which you can charge more for. You can find these creators' email addresses in the About section of their channel and just send them an email explaining what you do. You can offer to do a free sample for them or give them a discounted introductory offer to sweeten the deal and get your foot in the door. Something else you can do is teach people how to use ElevenLabs to create content. Of course, I recommend doing this after you've spent some serious time with ElevenLabs and you know it like the back of your hand. But once you do, you can charge people much higher for consultations and even create courses that you can sell for passive income. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. Have you used ElevenLabs before? What ideas do you have for how to make money with this tool? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.